Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on animal and plant cells prepared by the Disrupt Tutoring team. So the question says, tabulate the differences between animal and plant cells. Okay, so because it says tabulate, we need to draw a table. And when we draw a table, we have to give it a nice heading. So our heading is going to be differences between animal and plant cells. Always underline your heading. Now we can start drawing our table. So we can label it animal cell, plant cell, and don't forget we can close it off. Right, so animal cells firstly do not have a cell wall. Plant cells have a cell wall. Okay, so that's one difference. Another difference, animal cells have small vacuoles, and there can be almost no vacuoles or just one or two, so few. And plant cells have a large vacuole. They have the large vacuole which stores water, which gives it its rigid shape or structure. Another difference, animal cells do not have plastids, so no plastids. An example of a plastid would be like a chloroplast. So plant cells therefore have plastids. And animal cells have centrioles, whereas plant cells do not have centrioles, so no centrioles. And those are the main differences between a plant and an animal cell. Before I go, don't forget you can send us a question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. But for more epic videos, check out our website, which you'll find in the description below, and you'll also find details to our sponsor. Thanks to them as well. Until next time, stay epic.